In this video, we'll be using JavaScript to create a digital clock. We are going to build it with only HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's start by adding our HTML boilerplate code. Let's link our CSS as well. I'm creating a div, giving it a container class to use it on styling. And a h1 with the ID of time. This is where our time will show up. And I'm calling the script here inside the body. Let's start styling our page. Here I'm choosing a darker background color for our page. We are just styling the page, nothing's that important. Feel free to make changes here. I'm making the container div flex so we can easily center our stuff. I'm giving it 100 viewport height so it covers the whole screen. And adding a box shadow to make it look pretty. Adding a border radius so we can have curved corners. Finally, making some color and font changes to h1. Here is our page with finished styling. Now we can start making the clock with JavaScript. Here I'm creating a function called time. We'll do everything inside of this, like getting the date and displaying it on our page. So I made a new variable called time and assigned the current date to it. Now I'm making new variables for hours, minutes and seconds. And now I'm creating a variable called AM or PM so we can later check the time and display the proper one. Here I'm making sure that our code doesn't get stuck behind the time. It refreshes our code every 1 second. The value we put here is in milliseconds, so 1000 milliseconds makes 1 second. So our code gets refreshed every second. I called the function so we can actually use it. Here I made a variable called current time and assigned it the hour, minute and second variables, so we can display the current time on our page. Make sure you put the proper ID name here. If you named your h1 something else, you need to put that one here. As you can see, we have the time displaying on our page, but we need to make some little adjustments. I'm making an if statement to check if it's greater than 12. When it's greater than 12, we're gonna make it display PM instead of AM. Here I'm gonna add 0 to the side when the time is on single digit numbers. If you watched this far, make sure to subscribe to my channel. As I said, I'm adding a 0 to the side when it's on single digit numbers. I'm checking that condition on all variables. Here we can check the code we just wrote, so when it's on single digit numbers, there will be a 0 on the side. When we delete the code, it just shows the single digit number. Our clock is on 24-hour format. If you want to change it to 12-hour time format, we can add this code here. Now it's on 12-hour time format, but I like the 24-hour time format, so I'm changing it back. In this video, we made a clock with JavaScript and HTML. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss other tutorials like this one.